Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Device to Realme Narzo 50 Pro. Firstly, open Play Store on both and tap on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere. Now you need to get this app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up though, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Finally, you can choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Xiaomi, and Receive at the bottom of your Realme next to Send. Also on Realme, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to Xiaomi smartphone. On it, you can select all of those type of dots from all of those categories above to choose files that you wish to transfer. You can also just click on the chosen ones. In my case, this one photo. When you're ready, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Now choose Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, select this scanning icon next to Input key on Realme. Then allow camera access by tapping on while using the app or only this time. And last but not least, point your device's camera at the code in order to connect. If you want to input this key instead, click on Input key section, type in all of those numbers, and hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!